What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be reviewing these filters for the DJI Spark. So first I'm going to show you some footage that I got with these filters, and then I'm going to show you how to put them on your DJI Spark. So to put these filters on, you hold it like this, and then you just hold it over the lens like this, and then you hold the gimbal and the filter like this, and then you just push it on like that, and it's pretty strong on it. Now, I've noticed that if I have it in sport mode and I'm flying really fast, it just drops down and then goes back up and drops down because it's too heavy. And sometimes it says gimbal overload. So, I don't really recommend going on sport mode with these, but if you're just flying around not on sport mode, nice and smooth, getting footage and stuff, it's perfectly fine. Now another thing, I was filming down like this, and there was like wind and stuff, so it was kind of jerky, and this came loose. It didn't fall off, but it came loose. So they aren't the best filters out there, but they're pretty nice for my drone. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you at the next video.